Guys, let's factory data reset. Samsung A01. Switch off the phone. Press volume up and power key together. Keep holding. When you see the logo, release the power key and keep pressing volume up. Okay, when you see this recovery logo, you can release all the keys. Now select with volume down, go to wipe data factory with the power key. Factory data reset from volume down. Can you see? Select with the power key. Is the wiping your password is removed. Now just reboot the system with the power key. Yeah, it's done. Just wait. The battery must be charged at 40%. Don't press any key, just wait and watch. Please subscribe my channel if it is helpful. And thank you for watching. Take 2-3 minutes max. Almost done. Almost. Ampadar. Come on. Almost done. It's open. Just put your email, Wi-Fi and use the phone. Thank you for watching. Please guys subscribe new channel. Thank you guys.